Oh, put the jump back on. I think it's dead.
That battery's pretty up. It was just leaking sulfuric acid out of it.
Oh, thank God, some air. Oh my God, that's the most glorious thing that's ever happened to me. Oh, is it hooked up?
Yeah, it's hooked up.
Dude, this thing is the sickest thing I've ever been in while also being the biggest pile of shit.
It's the nicest cabinet with the motor I've ever seen.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we're somewhere. Oh, I've got backup camera. I've got volts.
It's got like engine fans or something running.
Is everybody clear?
Yep, you're good.
All right, watch yourself. Hey, was any of the fans or anything spinning when I cranked it?
Yeah, the fans are running.
No, the big ones.
Oh, no. It's
Okay.
not going through the transmission yet.
Has it got gas in it? It says it's empty.
I'm gonna put a little extra in.
That's probably why it's not ready, Weston. And you got no oil.
Hey, you give me 10 minutes. I'm gonna get this started.
If I break down this weekend, run out of gas in my C10, you gotta come save me.
Don't you worry, I'll hover right over. Well, guys, from the 10 minutes I've sit in here, here's what I've figured out about driving it, right? There's two little pedals down here at my feet that go back and forth. They're zip tied. Two pieces of alternator are zip tied together.